or down CTC TV. The American piano of Anissa, or down for Najatum, Ter Party, what I say, Wajatum, Ter Party, Patia Jatum, or down for Jimudi, Monty, Tum, City TV, COMOAKU, City TV, work, I want a place, Blaster Place, Ghana local place, all of Biashe. City TV, work, City, go on.
Thank you so much. And then the next show we have Echo as well. Thank you all so much for coming out. So this is a tribute for the mother, and it's read by Rabbi Ford. So on behalf of the children, we have Calvin Fosu.
Thank you for being here for us tonight. My name is Calvin. My family and I are honored to go down. Because before we just go down. Also to the world is Lumba. We gather here today in deep gratitude for the life of our father, for the love he gave us, and the legacy he leaves behind.
Father, you are larger than life, but to us, you are hurting. That's God. So, I'm speaking for my sister, Sarah, and myself, Charlene, for last words to stand. I want to thank you, all of you guys, for supporting him over the years. Without your support, he wouldn't be Daddy Lumba. Thank you for coming, and we'll love you. Remember you guys. Thank you so much.
You never see me breathe. You never see me breathe. You never see me breathe. All right, at this stage, we would like to put the portrait of Daddy Lumba here. Shall we please have it, please? Oh, there it is. If we can please bring it to the center. Together with the artwork that was done live. No. That's a great father. Okay. Yes.
Hey, you don't try.
So, we're asking the lovely children to please come forward.
This one will trend fast. I swear.
Yes. First, you can put the flower on it. Yes, please.
2 hours got the 2 of you.
Come place the flower there. Great. And this is for Daddy. The other one, please.
I'll bring your phone down. I'll do it.
Okay, so on the stage I'd like to hand over to his lovely wife for her tribute.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very proud of this tribute on behalf of Daddy's wife. My love, how do I begin to speak of a man whose voice carried the soul of the nation? Yet whispers to me were the sweetest melodies of God. You were not just Ghana's musical treasure, you were my heart's companion, my protector, my joy. Behind the spotlight and the applause, you were the man of tenderness, wisdom, and quiet strength. I saw the depth of your spirit in the way you held our family together, in the way you called me your brother, without infectious smile that never faded. You gave your life to music, and through it, you gave yourself to us all. But I was blessed to know the man behind them. The one who would have unfinished lyrics while stirring tea. Who would hold my hand when the world felt too loud?
Simply, where do you come out?
Just to ask if I was okay. Now the silence feels unbearable. The studio was quiet. The stage is still. But your legacy sails on in every home, every heart, every soul that ever found healing in your voice. I will carry your name with pride. I will protect your memory with praise. And I will continue to live in a way that honors the love we shared and the life we lived. Rest well, my King. You are my forever soul. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Now we'll do the presentation of the candle. Please, you're taking this candle home, light it, and the flame will flame and keep on flaming forever, because that gentleman forever lives.
Calvin, this is from His Excellency the President of Ghana to the family, that you light this candle while it's reminding you that your father lives on. The whole Ghana is mourning with you. You hear from the President. Thank you. Please, once your iconic family, we thank God for your dad's life, for his impact on this country and beyond. From the great people of Ghana, this is for all of us to the family.
Alright, thank you very much. Now let's we'll excuse the family if their tributes are finished, so they can sit down, the program continues. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.